Digital marketing is one of the booming technologies using for digital promotion for their blogs, businesses, websites, and more. Still, if you're not using digital marketing for your business, then you must need to understand the use of digital marketing to boost your business on the next level. In this video, we are sharing 40 digital marketing tips that help you understand all basic steps to do for your business. Number 1. Creative quality content and videos to educate your audience better about your business. Number 2. Build best website for your business. Number 3. Deliver what people want. Write about topics that your potential customers are searching for on Google. Number 4. Be connected with forums and community boards. Number 5. Take advantage of PPC paid ads if you've advertising fund. Number 6. Define your competition to understand which things to complete. Number 7. Develop a proper social media strategy. Number 8. Work with influencers. Number 9. Optimize your website for mobile to improve your SEO ranking. Number 10. Add social media buttons on your website. Number 11. Know the importance of building brand awareness. Number 12. Continually explore new ways to increase conversions. Number 13. Focus on creating a full inbound funnel. Number 14. Reduce the number of steps that a customer takes to reach out. Number 15. Start a video marketing campaign. Number 16. Choose the right target areas where you can get customers. Number 17. Test your options and optimize campaigns with different types of audience. Number 18. Use data to monitor the success of the campaign. Number 19. Start A/B tests on blog post titles and headlines. Number 20. Run contests to make people to take interest in your business. Number 21. Ensure your branding speaks to your ideal buyer. Number 22. Communicate your values with the audience properly. Number 23. Create your website or blog with your social media pages. Number 24. Write and retweet your customers' reviews, solution, and requirements. Number 25. Tell your story. Number 26. Follow the social media sites, rules, and be patient. Number 27. Try to give stuff away to attract customers. Number 28. Start advertising on social media networking sites. Number 29. Start video marketing on YouTube. Number 30. Start a podcast. Number 31. Drop your price in your subcategory product. Number 32. Create a newsletter and share it with your subscribers. Number 33. Organize a webinar or join business events. Number 34. Optimize your landing pages to encourage your visitor to complete an action. Number 35. Create unique landing pages for different target audience. Number 36. Share interesting content like text, images, and videos. Number 37. Learn how to manage your time efficiently. Number 38. Find and follow the influencers in your niche. Number 39. Start email marketing. And number 40. Keep a balance between following and followers. If you're business beginners, then you must need to write a proper business plan to understand your business idea and its future trend.